Hi, I'm Poppy and I am Timstar's junior scientist. Hi, in my last video I looked at how much sugar is in a can of pop. It said on the can that there's 36 grams of sugar, but do you know what that looks like? It looks like this much sugar. Nine cubes or even 9 sachets of sugar. In this experiment, I'm going to try and burn the sugar to see how much energy is in it in the form of heat. I put 50 milliliters of water into a can and suspended an electric thermometer over the top. That means I can monitor the heat on my laptop. I've also got my 36 grams of sugar. Normally, when you burn sugar, it turns to caramel. But I have added potassium nitrate, which works as an oxidizer, when I light the matches it should help it burn. So, here goes. Oh my gosh! Wow! I had to quickly go there, it got a bit big, but it's burnt really well and it really does smell. Wow, that's a lot of fire for one can. Let's take a look at the thermometer and see what is recorded. Sugar is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. When you burn off the hydrogen and oxygen. The black mass you can see is the carbon that's left behind. As you can see, the temperature of the water has gone up from 21.4 degrees to over 56 degrees. That is a lot of heat energy from just a single can of pop. I hope you enjoyed this experiment, but please don't try this at home. Join me next time when I'll be making sugar into rocket candies. Bye! Watch out for more of my videos on Timstar's Junior Scientist page. While you're there, why not take a look at the Timstar Knowledge Hub, where you can see experiments from Franz Scott to Stephen Gates.